We're going to Sturlehita to make a barbecue. We have chicken, we have rice, and another friend's coming, so. Wow, this looks amazing! Panorama. Cacerola, and we're going to the mountain. Everyone looking, what are you going to do? Just taking pictures with cacerola. We have chicken. We can grill here. Oh, there is some wood here. Lots of snow. Hello, hello. Are you start already?
Yeah,
Grill?
I start burning wood.
That's good.
I did go in there and ask for like 10 bacon in there.
This is nice.
Really?
Then
Yeah.
we get-
Yeah.
Okay. This is our place for today. Nice place for the party. You can sit here. This we can have another grill.
Yeah, we don't need another one.
Yeah, but I just showing.
That one is full of snow.
I just showing on the video.
Oh,
You see?
yeah, I see.
Yeah.
I saw your video of the sliding.
The sliding.
Oh, I laughed my ass off.
You laughed?
Really funny. Wow.
Then let's make another funny video and I put another one. What? Oh, you can jump here. Yeah, it's okay. It's winter. Wow! It's so much snow here. Almost half a meter.
At least.
What are you doing?
I'm playing.
Jumping?
Yeah. Okay. Oh,
Good?
yeah.
Okay.
Very nice.
And then is another grill, but the people is already here, so we have another space.
Yeah, cacao.
Oh, cacao?
I will have cacao.
Two cacao. Oh, they have cake also here. Yeah. Cacao, yeah. Nice cacao.
What?
Oh, hi Matt. Welcome.
I'm gonna do it too.
You gonna do it too?
Yeah.
Are you have also tradition?
I'm a Moldense. I'm Moldense. To get this knot up. Okay?
Sarah making fire.
Vad ska du göra?
The tradition, Norwegian tradition is tradition. So keep the tradition. If it's not water, then it's snow. Then you have to use the snow. Wow! Frederick, really? Okay.
Okay?
You wanna join?
Yeah, I will. Like look at me. Hat, then. But I will do that. I will do. Yeah. Uh-huh.
You turn on the camera and
Okay.
Okay?
we will all do it.
Okay. I do tradition.
Yep. Apparently we did it.
Farming. Wow! Okay.
So this will get
You
fucking
can
cold, but
close
this is apparently pretty.
This
Yeah.
will be very cool.
Okay?
Okay.
And
What you're skating?
Your tradition. Yeah.
ready?
Ready. Yeah.
I'm gonna run down there.
Run.
1, 2.
2, 3. Oh!
Uh-huh. Huh? Cool, yeah. Tradition is tradition.
Every day, bro. With the every day.
I have. Is it?
You have much snow.
What do you think?
I'm good now. I'm not cold anymore.
No, me neither.
Getting a little slightly warmer.
Yeah.
So this is what being a Viking is all about.
Your turn.
This is a Norwegian tradition.
No thanks.
It's Norwegian tradition, winter style.
Winter style. Yeah.
Come back in the spring.
Come back in the spring. So, but we have also hot cacao after it's warming.
It's cold now.
Tomato. Okay. I'm chef, so they give me the hardest job, yeah, to do. Kebab chef. We have chicken today.
And
Did you mix
Oi.
it?
No, no.
Yeah.
I mix it, yeah.
Maybe so.
With onion, garlic. What spicy you put?
Not spicy.
Not spicy.
On the black pepper.
Only black pepper. Do I have snow in my head?
Yeah.
Because it's something melting.
You have.
I have lamb with 1 chili,
Oh, you can show.
garlic, and just oil, and some this balsamico glaze
Balsamic.
with some soy sauce, salt and pepper, and some lemon juice.
Yeah, but chicken is so good. I love chicken.
I'm drinking tea. How you doing?
I'm drinking tea. How you doing? I drank cocoa.
We got some bananas over here.
Yeah, bananas, tomato, tomato.
Ramen is cutting the tomato.
It's fruits.
Put more chicken on the six. Fill them up.
Here we can see the Norwegian tradition, winter style. We got a beautiful sunset over there. And today is a perfect day. Cheers.
Oh, this chicken looks good. Tomato is good also. And sunset. Oi, 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 this place is really cool. I like it. No? Yeah, in the forest. No cutlery. No cutlery. You wanna try the Polish and Afghanistan dessert?
Maybe later.
What's this?
In Poland they call chruściki.
What's it called?
Chruściki.
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 No,
Bosrak.
chruściki.
Chruściki.
No, chru.
Chruściki.
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 That is klusticky for the first time.
And they're like,
Chruściki.
yeah, it's okay.
It's called Bosrak in my language.
What?
Bosrak.
Bosrak?
Yeah.
Bosrak.
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 Okay. And your friend from Afghanistan made this, yeah?
Yeah.
And what is it called in Norwegian? I have
So
no
it's
idea.
Bosrak.
Bosrak.
Bosrak in Afghanistan.
Yes.
In Polish is chruściki.
Chruściki.
Yeah. So, what do you think about it?
It's very good. It reminds me of donuts.
Yeah, it's kind of donuts. Uh-huh.
I'll eat after. I don't eat dessert before dinner.
It's
I
okay.
I eat dessert after dinner.
Yeah. But we eat later. No, soon actually. Not one. And we put like little bit sugar on top. Do you put malice also?
No.
We put malice. Icing sugar. Now it's like cold. It's when it's fresh, it's so crispy.
Yeah, it's frozen.
And now it looks like frozen.
It's minus.
It's minus, but when it's fresh,
Yeah.
it's like crispy and like tastes more donuts, but crispy donuts, and it's so good. Minus 60, minus 6.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Not too bad.
And
Not
it
too bad.
feels minus 13.
Feels minus 13.
I don't agree. I disagree. It doesn't-
You
For me, it feels maybe minus 2 or minus 1, 2 degrees. That's for me.
okay? But you can have.
Yeah.
Is it toilet for two? Yeah, coming. Utedu. Utedu means toilet outside. Outside toilet. I have this toilet. Wow, nice.
But don't take it.
Can you open? No. No. Oh, a nice toilet with pictures. And we have disinfection. And also the King Harold and Queen in the toilet. Picture. And some pictures. And antibacterial disinfection hand. Toilet paper. Yeah, nice toilet. For two. Outside toilet. And we have nice barbecue. I have to dishwasher.
Oh! Oh! Very nice!
Is it clean now?
Yeah,
Oh,
almost.
kind of.
Almost. It's clean enough for the nature. For the nature, it's clean enough.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's clean now.
that's good.
This is dishwasher section.
Yeah,
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Then we can put the food here maybe.
yeah, we do that.
Extra. Yeah.
And this was the latest episode of how to do dishwashing in the nature. Yeah.
Yeah. And now we can put the meat on the hot and the clean plate. Then you can
Oh.
see.
Oh yeah, la la! Look at this.
Look at this meat. Mmm. So delicious.
Yeah, and tomato. And this.
Ready? Ready.
This is the newest episode of how to make
little more.
good food in the nature. Yay!
We have rice instead of potato.
Me and Sheldon thought that if we had potato too, it would have been too much carbohydrate.
Too much potato, yeah. Too much carbohydrate, yeah.
Carbohydrate.
Yeah. Which is mine?
You can have this.
Tomatoes.
But no fork, Sheldon? For rice? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
We forgot the fork.
Yeah, he almost forgot the chicken as well. That would have been bad.
Afghanistan style. By hand, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, by hand. Okay.
Yeah.
Too much. Oh, you have salt.
You want a salt?
Yeah, I want salt. Thank you. This lamb.
Very good.
Good, good. Potato, yeah?
Yeah,
Potato.
Yeah, potato. But from the pack.
but we have potato.
We have potato.
Yeah, potato.
Yeah.
Yes, from the
Yeah.
pack. Mm.
Wow.
Yeah, we have a lot of beer, so just drink as much as we like. No,
Good, yeah?
yeah,
The chicken is so tender.
yeah.
Nice, perfect. It's good meal.
Yeah,
Better than in restaurant.
yeah.
And it's in nature. In the top of the forest. Are you grilling your feet now?
No,
Just warm.
they're hot.
Just grill your feet. Nice sunset, yeah? Now it's time to go home. Oh, be careful. Sunset, and we're going back home now.